Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add music on Facebook video in iPhone. First of all, open your Facebook and make sure to update your Facebook from App Store. And I'm gonna adding a video. So as you can see, the video has been added. Now let's see how to add music to this video. Tap on edit to the top left corner and you can disable the video music tapping on audio and tap on mute to mute your video music, and to add a song tap on add music, and now you can select any music from here. Also you can search for a particular music from here and select the music which you want to add.
Hello,
Tap on done
I was worried.
and tap on next, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.